Hop into the 2018 Land Rover Range Rover. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Here is a sublimely crafted, exceptionally capable Range Rover that offers a sumptuous cabin, whisper-smooth ride, legendary off-road performance, and stunningly modern design. To drive it is simply transcendent. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moonroof, four-wheel drive, heated rear seat, premium sound system, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, wood grain interior trim, fog lamps. Don't miss the chance to drive this powerful and sumptuously appointed Range Rover. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.